Hi friends, welcome back to Zazen Tarot Space. Cancerians. My dear Cancerian friends, what is July 2023 bringing for you? Your first card, Knight of Cups. Some very special romantic times ahead. Either with the person that you're already with that special person, you could be spending lovely romantic moments. Not only that, if you're already in a relationship, you can take it one step forward. You may either receive a proposal or be the one proposing to take your relationship one level up. For those who are single, you may receive a completely unexpected proposal and find yourselves in a relationship suddenly this month. For those who are married, again, a fantastic time where you will thoroughly enjoy your partnership. In general, this is a month where you will live completely and fully from your heart. 10 of Wands. So fantastic in terms of relationships, but really overburdened in terms of work. Now, this could either be your career, whether it's business or job, where you're feeling that there is too much work at hand, or else it may just be a general feeling that there is too much to do as a daily routine, or even feeling overburdened in the sense that feeling that there is too much happening in life. 5 of Swords. Okay, this is not a great card to have, but what does it tell us? It is telling us that you can expect some kind of bickering around you, negativity. You need to be careful this month in terms of how you're interacting with people, because people may not be very upfront with you, very honest with you. Actually, they may give you quite a headache with all the negativity and bickering. Projections. And your next card is Trust. Okay. Cancerians, you are usually a very soft-hearted, tender, emotional lot. And then you've pulled up the 5 of Swords along with Trust and Projections here. Cancerians, your tendency to be soft, to be trusting, can be misused. You need to be careful this month. When you're trusting someone and you're thinking that just because you are doing good, being good, thinking good about others, you are positive towards others, you are, trusting and loyal and soft towards people, and you are thinking that others are also that way. Somewhere you projecting your own goodness onto people, and you are trusting that everybody is like you, but because of that trust is being should I say, manipulated, taken undue advantage of. It can lead to being cheated. You need to be careful before you trust people this month. Mystic star, harmony in the home and great friendships. Cancer, also the fourth zodiac, signifying also the fourth house, signifying the heart, the home. Obviously, it's great that you have harmony in the home and you have great friendships, which is a good thing. Okay, you will climb that mountain and then the next, which will bring great joy. This is a beautiful card, and somewhere the card is pulling towards this card. You see the mountains that need to be climbed this month for you Cancerians. I can see that it is tough work for you. In that sense, this card is really nice and optimistic, because somewhere or the other this card is saying that okay, you are feeling overburdened here because there's a lot to do, but you will be able to do it. And not only that, you'll be able to do this work, but then everything that follows. And meadow lark, protect. How can I safeguard what is sacred to me? Protect. Now this card ordinarily could mean protecting someone else also, but over here Cancerians, you really need to protect and guard yourself against any negativity, any negative people, any harm that may come to you. I know that your heart, your trust, your sanctity, your softness, your home and your friendships and your harmony, all of these are sanct for you, especially as a Cancerian. In order to protect that, you need to be careful that nobody who is shrewd is taking undue advantage of you. So that was your general cards. Now we are going to dig deeper. We will look at every area of your life individually, and we will see what's coming up in each area of your life for you Cancerians. So your first card is the High Priestess card, which is fantastic because the moon, the ruler of your zodiac, is sitting right on top of your head, which is fantastic because your emotions, you'll be able to keep them safe. You'll be able to kind of connect with your intuition, connect with all that is sanct for you, and you will project yourself onto the world as this mystical person, a person who is kind of attractive because of this secret, sacred, and kind of a mystical quality that you have. Let me clear up the space. There. Right. So, lovely in that sense. The Emperor. Financially a strong month. You will find yourself financially strong. You will also feel the support of your family this month. You will feel protected. And you will have a disciplined approach towards every word that you utter from your mouth. Five of Cups, not a great card here. You may be feeling a little negative and sad, because of which you may want to work, you may want to put in that effort, but you are not being able to, which we saw even earlier in the previous spread. You want to work, but somewhere or the other you're feeling low, unhappy, you're not being able to put in that effort. Also, in terms of relationships with your younger siblings, not a great time. Six of Wands. Lovely card here. A fantastic time to connect with your mother. Mother will come across as strong. She will stand by you. So fantastic again, because you're getting support of family, you're getting support of your mother. Also, any kind of property deals in the past, property, investments, buying of car, making life comfortable, in every sense you will feel victorious. You will be able to crack the deal at a good price, feel comfortable at home, connect with your mother. Ace of Cups. Wow. First that Knight of Cups, and now here the Ace of Cups, which is fantastic, because definitely a month where you can expect new relationships blooming, a new romance blooming. Also a fantastic time to feel that love with your children. If you've not been or even if you have a family and you're planning another child, fantastic time. If you are pregnant, then fantastic time in terms of health. Also a good time for students, where you will feel at your creative best. Good time to feel creative. Six of Swords. Okay, this is interesting. What I see here is that in case you're looking for loans, it is a good time. You will get it. Those loans will help you advance in life. I also see here, Cancer, that all those people who are opposed to you, or those that you're competing with, they will actually cooperate with you, and you guys in mutual cooperation will be able to advance further. Page of Coins. Okay, a stable time in terms of marriage. However, you need to be a little careful about how you're spending money, especially in terms of business partnerships. There will be conversations around money, and maybe even around, you can get into a new business partnership, and also there may be conversations around new ventures. If you already are in a partnership, then new ventures around that. The Hierophant. Good that you will hopefully be sailing relatively smoothly throughout the month, and I do not see any major ups and downs here. Ten of Swords. This is not a great card at all. You see, you will feel that luck is not favoring you. You will feel it is not helping you, their helping hand, not offering you a helping hand. And where you will feel that your mother and family are supporting you, there you will feel that your father is not supporting you, even your bosses for that matter. You would be like, I expect more support of you types. Okay. Also not a great month for travel. You could feel that, especially if you're traveling by water, you could really feel that your travel plans are getting abandoned. You really need to be careful. Knight of Coins. Okay, progress at work, progress in terms of career and business, both. Yes. Financially good, strong, going well. Three of Cups. Fantastic time to bond with your friends. Also, you will feel that your desires, your wishes are coming true. The gains and investments are going good. Queen of Wands. You will stay quite strong, and you will try not to overspend money. You will also try to keep your losses and expenditure in control. So Cancerians, that is your month, July 2023 and all that it is bringing for you. We will meet again in another video. Until then, please take very good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.